What's going on, guys? Just wanted to make a quick video to show you how I attach this tool rack to my existing trimmer rack on my Karavan trailer. Being that these trailers use these round tubes on the side as opposed to square tubing, pretty much anything you buy has to be custom modified to an extent. This is the only thing that I purchased to complete this project. It's like a 6-tool holder rack I got off Amazon. I had some scrap metal laying around. This is from an old porch swing I took apart for a customer, and I decided to keep the stuff, and 6 weeks later I already have a use for it. So I'm going to mount these to the back side of my trimmer rack. I did a previous video on how I modified this Amazon trimmer rack to fit this round tubing trailer. I kept these little rubber plastic feet from the porch swing. I popped them off, made the cuts with a bandsaw, and then put the caps back on just to keep any sharp edges away. I took advantage of these U-bolts I had from when I attached the trimmer rack to the round tubes. So I just drilled holes in the upper and lower rails and slid it right on the bolts that were already there. I used some washers and some nuts that fit on these U-bolts with a little bit of blue Loctite and just snugged everything down. And here I'm just holding up a rake just to kind of get a visual of where these tool holders are going to sit at. And I took some measurements, just center to center type stuff, and I used a clamp to hold the first part in place as I line everything up, or I was going to drill the next holes. I used the back of those bolts sticking out also to attach the tool holders to. I drilled a few holes, used some bolts, some more Loctite, and the finishing touch here, I'm putting these rubber grommets into each of the holes. These grommets came with the Amazon purchase of the tool holders. I got those in, and that was it. Here's the finished product.